Hello everyone, this is a 9x12 area rug that we recently got for our living room area. You can see the nice floral pattern in the rug here. This is on top of our wood floor in our den area here. We're excited to have this new 9x12 area throw rug. If you want to know what it looks like, this is it here. Now I do have some sunshine coming through the window here, so this is natural light right here. You can get a better look at it also. So one of the attractive features of the rug here is that it can be washed. Now you may need to go to a washateria to be able to put it in a large enough washing machine, but this is fully washable, and so it's got kind of this rubberish type matting underneath it. You can decide whether or not you want to put your own extra matting underneath it depending on your needs. We decided we would do that because of our wood floor and we have some little dogs. All right, so the fact that this is washable was an attractive feature for us because we're very concerned about the dogs and them, going to the bathroom on the rugs. It's already happened one time to our rug over here, which is an 8x10. I'm going to show you that. The rug has a treating on it which is water resistant. So there was dog urine on top of the rug over here. The second day we had it, put down, and I got some paper towels, put it right on top of the spot and soaked it right up, and you can't tell that there was a problem there. And it doesn't smell or anything, so it cleaned right up easily and quickly. So that's very important for our needs. So depending on what you have going on in your house. But if you just wanted to see what it looks like in someone's living room, this is the 9x12. Let's take a look at the 8x10 underneath our kitchen table, and also take a look at the 2x6 runner, which we have in this area between our living room and our kitchen table area. Let's take a look at those right now. So this is the 2x6 right here. This is the runner rug that we have going from the living room to the kitchen table area right here. This is a high traffic area right here, so much so that our wood floors, which we've had for about 20 years or so, this area of the wood floors underneath here starting to have some issues, some damage a little bit. So important to have a runner right here to help protect these wood floors from further damage. And so this little runner right here, same pattern as you can see, matching the two rugs here, same pattern. And going in here to the kitchen table, where a lot of moving around on these wooden chairs here on the wood floor again. Nice to have this same pattern of an 8x10 size to help protect the floors underneath the kitchen table here, especially moving these chairs all around where it's prone to get scratches, right? So this is the 2x6. You can see we've got it all the way under here. You can kind of see what it looks like right here. And again, it's got that same rubbery kind of back here. And here's another good look at the 8x10 right here. We can have this under our kitchen table area here. So we have the 8x10 here, the 2x6 runner there, leading to the living room over there, which is a 9x12. Very nice, very attractive. This spot over here is where the dog had the accident, like the second day we had these in a couple days ago, and that's it soaked right up into the paper towels easily. Did not seep into the rug. Again, these are washable. We will be able to wash them. We're really excited to have them, helping to protect our floors underneath, our wood floors, and also just kind of give you that completed feeling. If we didn't have that rug in the den like we had there, it feels very open and kind of sterile. With the throw rug there, it gives you that added, completed, finished feel that you kind of need in a living space, right? This is what the rugs look like with these nice floral pattern. Same pattern in all three of these pieces here, and you determine on what size you need for your needs. But we're excited about having them, and maybe this will work for you at your house.